following even more breaking news involving the arrest of an Albemarle police officer. The State Bureau of Investigation says agents arrested Logan Andrew Johnson. He's charged with 1 count of felony statutory sex offense with a child under 15, 1 count of felony indecent liberties with a child, and 1 count of felony solicitation of a child by computer or electronic device. He's being held in the Anson County Jail under a $500,000 secured bond.